If your art journey up to now has been making one image of an original character and random fan arts, but you want your work to have a more focused tone, take a second and hear me out. Portfolios used to be a collection of isolated pieces, one-off projects that showcase skill, style, or range. But in 2026, portfolio thinking is evolving into systems thinking. Artists are creating collected works, variations, episodes, and series that function as a cohesive whole. Don't just focus on making what looks cool, but don't give that up either. Focus on the story you want your portfolio to tell overall. A recurring subject, a visual motif, or a set of constraints that help you generate work consistently while maintaining coherence. Each new piece strengthens the overall narrative instead of existing in isolation. With my own original series, Angelitos Negros, it was my intention to reframe biblical art from the Renaissance and Baroque periods in a more historically accurate but similarly fantastical way by depicting major figures as black and brown-skinned people. And this storyteller approach benefits both artists and audiences. For the creator, it reduces art blocks and allows experimentation within a structured framework that you already know and enjoy. And for viewers and collectors, it offers clarity and continuity. People start to recognize your voice, not in a single image, but across a developing universe of work. Systems also scale naturally. Modular components and variations make it easier to expand into series, editions, or multimedia extensions without losing cohesion, enabling deeper exploration and stronger thematic impact. You're not boxing yourself in, you're building yourself up. Hopefully you guys got something from today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you try out this overall series approach versus just doing one-offs, and I think it'll really help you guys advance your career and your portfolio. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.